Hello. Today I'm going to show you the difference between using hair gel and not using hair gel. I'm going to gel one side of my hair and leave the other side to dry completely naturally so you can see the difference. I'm currently on the curly method, so I'm first just washing my hair with curly method friendly products and scrunching, and now I'm splitting my hair right down the middle and we're going to start with the gel side. I like to use two gels. I'm going to go in with aloe vera gel first, just a tiny little bit. Make sure it's all covered, even like near the top, because I get a lot of frizz there. Scrunch this in. Okay, now I'm going to take my curl jelly, which just gives a bit of extra hold, about that much, because I'm only doing half of my hair. Lightly try and coat all my hair, and then I scrunch the rest up. So now for the other side, I'm gonna scrunch as normal, but I've got no gel on my hands. I'm gonna completely just let it air dry with no gel, but I'm still gonna scrunch it. This side already feels drier. I'm now gonna leave it to air dry completely, but I will come back in about 5 or 10 minutes and blot excess water out of the gel side. Do you know what? I'm gonna set my alarm for 7 minutes.
Your timer is set for 7 minutes.
Okay, I'm back. It has been 7 minutes. I've got a t-shirt here and I'm just going to blot out the water. I'm also going to very gently blot out the water on the no gel side. We just do one scrunch. I'm going to leave my hair to completely air dry now. I'm going to start a stopwatch to see how long it will take to air dry. Okay, I'm back. It's taken 3 hours and 37 minutes for the gelled side to completely dry. It's actually been a bit longer than that, but that's how long it took to dry. It took about an hour and 25 minutes for the ungelled side to dry. I'm now going to scrunch out the gel and then we're going to take a closer look at the difference. Okay, so it's all scrunched out. Here is my hair that has air dried with gel, and here is the side without. Now immediately there's a huge difference. There always has been. My hair completely puffs up and frizzes out when I do not use gel. Gel has been my absolute savior. Since my hair's been changing texture and I've been struggling with it for so many years, gel has really been the only thing that has been able to tame my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my pillow because you can't see very well. I don't know if you can see, but there is like a canopy of about an inch of frizz of hair that just kind of poofs out, whereas on this side it's like there's a teeny bit of like natural frizz, but it's just so much better. With this side I get like individual pieces of hair, whereas if I don't use gel I kind of do get pieces, but they're very like light and poofy. They're not really defined. For me, this is the difference between a good hair day and a bad hair day. It totally depends on what I've done after my wash routine and how I've allowed it to dry, if I've used gel or not. Okay, I found some lighting that is a little better so you can see the difference. The gel helps my hair to feel and look a lot more hydrated. If I don't use gel, it just looks dry. It also means that my waves won't last as long. Eventually, this gelled hair, after like day 2 or 3, it will start to look more like this. There are ways that you can kind of maintain it by like proper sleeping styles and just being really gentle with the way you manage your hair during the day. And also you can spritz water in the morning, re-scrunch it, it reactivates the gel, let it dry all over again and then re-scrunch it out. Also, it only works on wet hair, so I can't now go and put a load of gel on my dry hair because it just will not work the same. It has to be on wet hair and you have to let it dry. You can dry with a hairdryer and a diffuser to help the curls stay intact. If I wanted to redo my hair, I would have to re-wash it or just completely re-wet it. So if you are struggling with your hair, if your hair is transitioning like mine did, if you are struggling with frizz, if you're struggling with hair that you're not sure if it's curly or wavy, try a gel. You don't have to use a curl gel. You can find things like aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel, which I've made in the past, works incredibly. Those don't necessarily make your hair curly, they can help hold curl. Since a lot of you guys are invested in my hair journey, I wanted to share with you some things that I do, and I guess it's kind of like experience, it's like data, it's like experimenting to see what works, what doesn't. So that's my experience with hair gel. There are so many that I have not tried. I've only ever tried like 3, but that's what I use at the moment. If you want to see any more of my hair videos, I've done a ton of experiments, I've done a ton of research, I've done a whole curly girl method series. Go check out the videos. It will be on the screen in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.